Welcome! If you're tired of getting login alerts every time you access Instagram or just want to cut down on unnecessary notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to disable Instagram's in-app login alerts, giving you more control over your notifications and a smoother app experience.
Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make these changes. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you straight to your personal feed and settings. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on it to open up the main menu. From here, tap on Accounts Center. This is where Instagram manages most of your account's security and privacy settings. Inside Accounts Center, find and tap on Password and Security. This section gives you access to all the security features available for your account. Now scroll down and tap on Login Alerts. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts connected to your Instagram. Select the account for which you want to turn off in-app login notifications. Once you tap on your account, you'll see the option for in-app notifications. To disable these alerts, simply uncheck the box next to In-App Notifications. This will stop Instagram from sending you notifications inside the app whenever there's a new login to your account. And that's it! You've successfully disabled Instagram's in-app login alerts. Remember, this means you won't get notified in the app if someone logs into your account from a new device, so be sure you're comfortable with this change. If you ever want to turn these alerts back on, just follow these steps again and check the box for in-app notifications. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, share it with friends who might need it. Enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience and stay secure.